Hello, job seekers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Today, we'll be exploring multiple job opportunities in Sharjah, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain, and Kuwait. Stay tuned with us for the latest recruitment updates and videos. Please watch the video in its entirety. We promise it's worth your time. Let's dive in. To our loyal subscribers, we appreciate your views, but we also need your support. Please like and share the video if you find it helpful.
Request for restaurant, Sharjah. CV selection, immediate departure. Tandoor, cook, working video must. 12 hours duty, age limit up to 35 years. Accommodation and transportation by company. Visa type, visit cum employment. Salary, 2000 dirhams including food. Request for marble company, Sharjah. CV selection. Marble mason, salary 1600 to 1800 dirhams including food. Working video must. Note, GCC experience preferred. Duty 9 hours plus overtime. Age limit up to 38 years. Accommodation and transport by company. Visa type, visit cum employment. Dubai, urgently required for leading steel fabrication engineering company. CV selection, telephonic interview. AutoCAD draftsman mechanical. Qualification, ITI, diploma with 3 to 5 years of steel fabrication work experience. Salary, 2000 dirhams plus 500 for food. Note, 9 hours duty a day, monthly 4 offs. Age 22 to 40 years. Accommodation and transportation provided by company. School project, Saudi, CV selection. Female cleaner, salary 900 riyal plus 200 plus accommodation. Minimum 2 to 3 years experience in relevant field. Candidate must be ready out deep cleaning and detailed cleaning tasks, dusting, sweeping, vacuuming, mopping, etc. Introduction video must. ECNR passport only, accommodation provided by company. Duty 8 hours, 6 days a week, age limit 23 to 35 years. Required for landscaping company in Kuwait, online interview. Gulf experience only. HVAC, chiller technician. Salary, negotiable. Discuss at the time of interview. Terms and conditions. Duty hours, 9 hours, 1 hour lunch break, accommodation, transportation and medical provided by company. Note, minimum 7 to 8 years of good experience is a must in the above field. Yearly vacation with 30 days paid leave. Immediate departure. Bahrain, CV selection and telephonic interview. Civil supervisor, salary 200 Bahrain dinar plus OT. Job description, qualification, BTech with minimum 2 to 3 years experience in Gulf or in India. 8 hours duty, weekly 1 day off. Age limit 35 years. Accommodation and transportation provided by company. Hiring for Kuwait, online interview. Assistant pastry chefs, cake makers, ice cream makers, machine maintenance technician, assistant bakery chefs, chocolate makers, bakery chefs. Salary 140 to 250 KD. Note: minimum 5 years experience applicable for maintenance technician. Degree or diploma for the same field are preferable. Must need work pictures and videos. Accommodation, food and transportation provided by company. Top urgent. Wanted for Kuwait online interview. Computer hardware technician. Salary 150 to 160 KD. Note: 3 to 5 years of experience in India. Speak English very well. Duty and working hours 10 hours per day, 1 day off weekly. Employment period 2 years and renewable. Free accommodation provided by company. Other benefits as per Kuwait country labor law.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.